Hey, this is Sarah from sarahdesign.com, and I just wanted to show you a new item in my shop. And this is a scene creator prop, or you might call this an accessory PNG file or an accessory image for making mock-ups. And it is a green lantern, and it's turned at various angles so that the shading is on different sides of it. It comes with a PNG file version of each, a JPEG file version of each, so it'll be flattened onto a white background. The PNG is on a transparent background, and then the Photoshop file itself. And you can put these in front of a background, as you can see on the image here, or on white, or just on a color, or you could put them into a scene, or use another mock-up scene creator, like from my shop or from someone else's. And really, it's just a really versatile thing to have, and it looks great paired with other items like your drinkware and things like that. So I'll just show you the Photoshop file very quickly. I have a couple different backgrounds in here that I like to use when I'm creating an image just to see how things look. Here it is in white also. There's 3 different versions of the lantern in here. Just 3 different angles, really. And you can always just put them right next to each other, or drag them into another file, or bring another background into this file. And also, I was going to sort of flatten it all together with the color and everything, because this is the actual color of my lantern in my house. But then I thought, hey, you know what? You can use this color balance layer to change this to any color you want. So I'm just going to duplicate this so I don't mess up the original. But you can see if I made this duplicate and then I double click on color balance, I could go in here and I could alter this. I can make it more of a, I don't know what color that is, more towards the red end of the scale, or some sort of magenta, or even like kind of a bright yellowish green. These colors are a little odd, but if you play with it, I think you could get it to where it looks like you would want. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that as an option in there for you to do, but you can also just use them as is. And again, they can be on a completely transparent background. You can move them around in here. You can always resize them by hitting the transform, which is edit, transform, or on my Mac, keyboard command is Command T. It brings up this box, this bounding box, and you can shrink it or make it bigger or whatever. I wouldn't recommend making it bigger, actually, normally, because you'll lose quality, but you can make it smaller. So there you go. That's just a little peek into this new product dropping in my shop. And you'll be able to find it on Etsy, Creative Market, and my new shop over on So Fancy very soon. So this is really handy to make mock-ups, even in Silhouette, if that's where you want to do it and not in Photoshop. Because like I said, it comes with a PNG file and a JPEG, so you could definitely pull those into your Silhouette window and then sort of move them around and shrink them and play with them in there as well. I hope this video was helpful and useful and that you enjoy this, and more props will be coming soon. Happy selling!